All right, hey guys. I'm just a little nervous about domain and range, and I want to clarify a couple of things. So, what I'm looking at right now is your review that you got in Station 1, and I'm going to do number 5 real quick, just to make sure that you understand how to do domain and range. I'm pretty sure you know how to do vertex and axis of symmetry, but I just want to make sure. I want us to have the best possible chance tomorrow to get an A on this exit ticket. Okay, so when we look at this, we're going to start off with the vertex, which is just negative b over 2a. So that is going to be, oops, got a little crazy there, negative b, which is just a 2, over 2 times 1. So 2 over 2 is 1. Now, I'm going to plug the 1 back in here. So let's see, 1 squared minus 2 is negative 1, minus 3 is negative 4. Okay, again, I am pretty confident, you guys. I'm confident you're fine with that. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to draw the little T-chart because, again, we're using our crappy calculators tomorrow. We are not using our good ones. Okay, so I have this. I have the answer somewhere, so I'm going to quickly put them in there. This is 0, negative 3, negative 3, 0. So let me draw my parabola real quick. Lost it there real quick. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get my axis of symmetry, which is just x equals 1. Now, remember, this is one thing I want to clarify also. This is x equals 1. It's not just 1. It's x equals 1. It's an equation. All right, now this is what I want to clarify. When we did the 1 in our notes, that was a real life situation. This is not a real life story problem, okay? So when you're doing something that is not real life, there's no negative money, there's not negative speed, there's not anything really going on. So your domain for things that are not real life is negative infinity to positive infinity, okay? That's always your domain when it's not a real life situation. Now for your range, we always look at the arrows. See how the arrows are pointing up? Sorry, guys. All right, bye. The arrows are pointing up here, so you know you're going to have positive infinity. Starts at negative 4, goes to positive infinity. So starts at negative 4, goes to positive infinity. Now, the infinities never have the little line under it, but this letter will, because 4 is included in your range. Okay, so again, I just wanted to clarify that real quick, that if you're not in a real life situation, this is your domain always. Now, I'm not going to do all the work on the other problem, the word problem on the back, but I wanted to show you. Okay, so here is your guy. Here is your guy for the back word problem. So now when we're doing domain and range here, it's a little bit different. We're not going to say all reals here like negative infinity to positive infinity because we're not going to have, let's see, what is this? Is it seconds and height? I don't know, something up there. Yeah, seconds and height and ball bouncing and things like that. That's going to be up here in the positive quadrant, okay? So that is why our domain is different, and our domain goes from 1 to 6. So if you look down here at my domain, I'm going from 1 to 6. Oh my gosh.
Raymond Dula still in the building. Can you come to
Sorry, guys.
Raymond Dula.
Okay, so I'm going from 1 to 6. And remember, I don't need the underlines here, okay? Now, same with when you're looking at your range. Your range is the same always. You look which way the arrows are pointing. They're pointing down, so I know I got a negative infinity. This goes 6, negative infinity. Make sure you're writing your negative infinity first because it always goes from the less or the least amount to the greater amount. Okay, so again, I just want to clarify that about the domain and range. So when you get your exit ticket, make sure you're looking. Am I doing a word problem? Am I not doing a word problem? Because that matters in the context of the problem. All right, bye. Bye, guys. Study.